Okay, so a really quick video. Yeah, if you notice from my previous video, yeah, I have provided some codes that actually uses the latest technique to handle with the start activity for result deprecation. Yeah, however, I only managed to replace some codes. Yeah, not every code. So this is a recommended way to replace start activity for result with regards to explicit intent. Yeah, something like this, and you can see that the code is actually shorter. Yeah, we don't really need to override the onActivityResult. We only need to register for activity result. Yeah, if you are interested to learn about this technique, please let me know in the comment section below, and if there are enough requests, then I think I will be able to create a video explaining how to do this. Yeah, so this is the recommended way for replacing start activity for result with regard to explicit intent. And then I have also provided a latest way of getting preview from camera. As you can see here, it's also shorter. And using this technique, I don't really need to override on request permissions result because everything is already handled with this method. Now, my only problem is how to get a phone number from the contact. Yeah, I still struggle to do the latest technique. Yeah, by using register for activity result. I try to follow the Android developer tutorial about the PickContact, but it's not really clear. Let's see. And Android contract for PickContact. This one. Yeah. So the Android developer only states about this class. Yeah, about the PickContact class. The result is URI, but it does not provide any more insight about how to process this URI. I have tried to search in the internet on how to process this URI, but until today I found nothing. Yeah, but I don't know in the YouTube tutorials over there. I haven't searched for it yet. Yeah, so if you know a good Android tutorial that uses this register for activity with a PickContact, please let me know in the comments below, yeah, so I can study it, and later after I have understood how to actually deal with register for activity result, then I will update the video for the implicit intent, yeah, using the latest technique, no longer using a start activity for result and overriding on activity result, but instead we will use register for activity result. Yeah, my only problem is to select any phone number from contact, so I need your help. If you know anything about doing this the proper way, please let me know in the comments. Yeah, and after I have figured out how to actually do this, then I will update the video later. Yeah, that's all. I think for the quick video. Thank you for listening to this. Not really a bonus video because I don't really explain in more depth. Yeah, but if there are enough interest to do the register for activity result, then I will update the video and the tutorial for the week 13. Okay, that's all for this bonus video. Again, stay safe, stay healthy, everyone. Bye bye.